Hello friends and potential friends. Let's see if I can salvage something from this syrup. My friend Elizabeth at the V.Honey YouTube channel told me that what I need to do is put all the syrup back in the pot, reduce it down a bit, and then take it off the heat and whisk in 2 packages of the pectin, and then put it back in the jars and reprocess in the water bath. So I'm going to give that a try. We'll see what happens. Like that is reduced down by about a quarter. It should thicken things up pretty good. Now I need to take it off there and add the pectin to it and then put it in jars. Let me do a little bit of rearranging here. Take it off the heat, turn off the heat, take the jars out of the water bath. They've been sterilizing. Now rearrange the camera a little bit. So hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Whisk in 2 packages of Sure Gel. Need to grab some jars. And I'm going to put a couple of pint jars in the bath, get them hot. They're new jars, they're clean. Need to get them heated up and sterilized a little bit while I fill up these ones. Again, I'm going to shoot for 1/4 inch of headspace. There they are. I'm fixing to put them back in the water bath canner. Process them for 10 minutes. Clean up my mess while that's happening. Okay, that's 10 minutes in the water bath. Ouch. Pull this off the heat. Turn off the heat. Get rid of the lid. And pull the jars out of the canner. And there we have 12 half-pint jars. Hopefully they'll turn into jelly this time. And one that's 3/4 of a pint that I'll use for a sample. Again, this attempt at saving the syrup and turning it into jelly was suggested to me by Jareth at Reap What You Sow, and Elizabeth at V.Honey channel gave me more detail how to go about it. These will sit out overnight, and hopefully tomorrow we'll see some difference from the syrup. And if so, I'll be trying to salvage some of the footage that I've been recording for the last 3 days. See if I can turn it into something that y'all might want to watch. Have you ever noticed that so many jelly making videos never show you spreading the jelly on a slice of bread? I wonder why that is. Okay, it's moment of truth time. I've got my sample Beauty Berry jelly. Still a little bit runny, but oh, that ain't enough. It spreads. That's good. I don't care whether it's syrup or jelly. That tastes good. Almost a bit stronger than a grape, but it does have a touch of a grape flavor to it. I think I'm going to consider this one a success. See y'all on the next one.